Picture this. It's a Tuesday morning, the sun is just peeking through your window, and the city is slowly coming alive outside. You're ready to start your day, but there's one hurdle left to clear. A woman stands before a mountain of clothes. Nothing fits. Everything feels wrong. The options are endless, but somehow, none of them feel right for who she is today. The frustration is real. A closet full, yet nothing to wear. Each piece seems to remind her of a different version of herself, but not the one she wants to be right now. It's a daily battle that chips away at your confidence before you've even had your first sip of coffee. The struggle is exhausting, and it can set the tone for your entire day. But this isn't just about clothes. It's about how you feel about yourself. It's about the stories you tell yourself in the mirror. Now, flip the scene. Another woman, same morning, opens her closet to a curated collection. Each item is chosen with intention, and every piece feels like it belongs. She knows her shape, understands what makes her feel powerful, and embraces her individuality. She's learned to dress for herself, not for anyone else's expectations. She pulls out perfectly tailored trousers, an elegant blouse, adds a belt, and smiles at her reflection. Getting dressed is no longer a chore. It's a celebration of who she is. This isn't magic, it's knowledge. It's the result of learning what works for her body, her lifestyle, and her personality. The difference isn't a new body or a bigger budget. It's a shift in perspective. It's about seeing yourself with fresh eyes and making choices that support your confidence. Style isn't about changing your body to fit the clothes. It's about choosing clothes that celebrate your body, just as it is, right now. This guide is your invitation to unlock your personal style. It's a toolkit for building confidence, one outfit at a time. We're done with closet meltdowns and "I'll wear it when" thinking. It's time to let go of what no longer serves you and make space for what truly fits. Your life is happening now. You deserve to feel incredible in it. Every day is an opportunity to show up as your best self, no matter where you're headed. This is your practical roadmap to understanding your shape and building a wardrobe that works for you. It's about making style simple, joyful, and uniquely yours. It's about finding joy in getting dressed again. Imagine starting each day with excitement, not dread, about what you'll wear. Walk out the door every day feeling powerful and amazing. Let your style reflect your inner strength and confidence. Are you ready? Let's get to work. The journey to a fabulous you starts right here, right now. No more waiting for the perfect body. You are enough, exactly as you are, and your wardrobe should celebrate that. Let's make style work for you, right now. Together, we'll create a closet that empowers you every single day. Confidence starts in your closet. Let's begin this transformation together. Let's get one thing straight. Your body shape is not a problem. It's just information. Think of it as your unique blueprint. Understanding your proportions is the key to creating visual balance with your clothing. It's about science, not judgment. We're moving past outdated labels and fruit names. Today, knowing your shape is about empowerment. It helps you navigate trends and stores with confidence. It's not about limitations, it's about freedom from dressing room drama. But your body shape doesn't define you. You are not an apple or a pear. You're a unique person with your own style. The goal is to look like the best version of you. Your shape is just the starting point for your personal style. Dressing for your shape is an act of self-love. Celebrate your unique form, don't hide it. Your shape is a tool, not a label. Let's use it to your advantage. Time to get practical. Grab a soft measuring tape or string and ruler. Stand in front of a mirror in form-fitting clothes. Take 4 measurements: shoulders, bust, waist, and hips. Shoulders, measure from tip to tip across your back. Bust, wrap the tape around the fullest part of your chest. Waist, find the narrowest part of your torso, usually above your belly button. Hips, measure the widest part of your hips and bottom. Write down each number. No negative self-talk, this is just data. These numbers are clues to your body shape. They help you understand how clothes will fit and flatter you. This is about honoring your body, not criticizing it. Your measurements tell a story. Let's use it to your advantage. You're gathering facts, not judgments. This is the foundation for your style journey. Ready to decode your shape? Let's move on. Now, let's decode your measurements and see how they can help you unlock your personal style. Understanding your body's unique proportions is the first step to dressing with confidence and intention. Most bodies fit into 5 main shapes. These are guidelines, not rules. Every body is unique, and these categories are simply a starting point to help you discover what flatters you most. Hourglass. Shoulders and hips are similar, with a defined waist. This classic shape is all about balance and curves. Celebrate your waist with wrap dresses, belts, and fitted styles that highlight your natural silhouette. Don't be afraid to show off those curves. Pear. Hips are wider than shoulders, creating a beautiful, feminine line. Draw attention upward with bright tops, A-line skirts, and statement necklaces. Play with color and accessories to balance your look. Apple. Fuller around the middle, with a less defined waist. This shape often has great legs and arms to show off. Show off your legs and arms, use empire waists, V-necks, and draped fabrics to create a flattering, elongated effect. Rectangle. Shoulders, bust, and hips are similar, with little waist definition. This shape is versatile and can pull off many styles. Create curves with peplum tops, belted coats, and full skirts. Layering and accessories can add dimension and interest. Inverted triangle. Shoulders are broader than hips, giving a strong, athletic look. Add volume to your lower half with wide leg pants and A-line skirts. Keep tops simple to balance your proportions and create harmony. Remember, you might be a blend of shapes, and that's perfectly fine. Most people don't fit neatly into one category. The goal is visual balance, not perfection. It's about feeling good in your clothes, not fitting a mold. Use these guidelines to highlight your favorite features and express your individuality. Don't hide your shape, work with it, and let your confidence shine through. Play with silhouettes to see what feels best. Experimentation is key to discovering your signature style. Your shape is your canvas. Embrace it, and let your creativity guide you. Style is about celebrating, not concealing. It's a joyful expression of who you are. Try new things and see what works for you. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. There are no strict rules, just possibilities. Fashion is about exploration and self-expression. Let your style reflect your personality, mood, and the story you want to tell the world. Now, let's build your wardrobe and create a style that's uniquely yours. Every great wardrobe starts with versatile basics. These are the timeless pieces that work for any age, any style, and any season. They're the building blocks that make getting dressed easy and stress-free, no matter the occasion. These are the pieces you mix and match for endless outfits. With just a few essentials, you can create looks that feel fresh every day, whether you're dressing up or keeping it casual. First, a great pair of dark wash jeans, straight or boot cut, tailored to fit you perfectly. They're comfortable, flattering, and can be dressed up with heels or down with sneakers. Next, a classic white button-down in quality fabric. Wear it tucked, untucked, or open as a layer. It's a true chameleon, working for the office, weekends, or even a night out. A well-fitting blazer is a must. Single-breasted, hip-length, in a neutral color. It instantly pulls any outfit together and adds polish, whether you're wearing jeans or a dress. Choose the blazer style that flatters your shape. Structured for pairs, nipped in for rectangles, simple for inverted triangles. The right cut will highlight your best features and boost your confidence. Finally, the little black dress. Find the silhouette that suits your shape, and it'll be your go-to for any occasion. Dress it up with heels or keep it simple with flats for a look that never fails. These pieces are the foundation for your style. They make it easy to get creative and express yourself no matter your mood or plans. Build on them with trendier items, but never skip the basics. Accessories, statement shoes, or a pop of color can transform your look in seconds. Quality over quantity. Choose pieces that make you feel amazing. Well-made basics last longer, look better, and help you feel your best every day. A solid foundation means less stress and more confidence. You'll spend less time worrying about what to wear and more time enjoying life. Mix, match, and layer for endless possibilities. Your basics are the secret to unlocking a wardrobe that works for you, not against you. Your basics are your style toolkit. With them, you can create looks for work, weekends, and everything in between. Start here, and you'll always have something to wear. No more last-minute outfit panic, just confidence, comfort, and style. Let's add some personality next. Now let's talk about the magic of styling. Color, pattern, and texture add personality and balance. Light colors and bold patterns draw the eye. Dark colors and smooth textures slim and recede. Pairs. Wear bright, textured tops and dark bottoms to balance proportions. Inverted triangles. Keep tops simple, add color and pattern to your lower half. Apples. Use color blocking and vertical stripes to create a long, lean line. Rectangles. Use belts and prints to create curves and definition. Play with placement, highlight what you love. Use these tools to express your style. Don't be afraid to experiment. Strategic color and pattern make all the difference. Let's finish with the details. Accessories are your style's punctuation marks. Belts define or create a waist, perfect for hourglass and rectangle shapes. Handbags can balance proportions. Pairs. Choose bags that sit above the hips. Inverted triangles. Go for crossbody or hip-length bags. Shoes elongate. Pointed toes in a skin tone or pant color shade create long lines. Avoid ankle straps if you want to lengthen your legs. Jewelry directs the eye. Statement necklaces for pears and apples. Long pendants for inverted triangles. Accessories add polish and personality. Use them with intention. Small changes make a big impact. Don't underestimate the power of details. The right accessory can transform your look. Now let's bust some myths. Fashion rules are meant to be broken. Myth. Horizontal stripes make you look wider. Truth. Thin stripes can be flattering. Try them on and see. Myth. Plus-size women shouldn't wear bold prints or bright colors. False. Color and print are for everyone. Focus on fit, not fear. Myth. Only tall people can wear wide-leg pants or long skirts. Not true. Proportion is key. High waists and proper hemming work for all heights. Don't let old rules limit your style. Try new things and see what works for you. Style is about joy, not restriction. Celebrate your body with color, pattern, and silhouette. Make trends work for your proportions. Your style is yours to define. Ignore the don'ts. Focus on what makes you feel great. Confidence is the best accessory. Let's wrap it up. From closet frustration to style empowerment, your journey is just getting started. If you love style inspiration, trend updates, and practical advice, you're in the right place. Remember, confidence and self-acceptance are the foundation of great style. Trends may change, but smart shopping and personal expression never go out of style. Use what you've learned to make choices that reflect your unique taste and fit your body beautifully. Open your closet with excitement, and let every outfit be an act of self-expression. Dress the body you have today with care, respect, and a little bit of fun. Your style journey is ongoing. There's always something new to try. Share your progress, inspire others, and keep experimenting with your look. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on personal style, smart shopping, and fashion confidence. Style is for everyone, including you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.